And then today's employment numbers. Let's take a look at today's employment numbers. So, employment numbers, remember the employment numbers survey comes from two different surveys. So, there are two people think that the unemployment rate and the payrolls numbers are related. It's actually two separate surveys. One survey to the general public, that's the unemployment rate number, and one survey to hiring to corporations, that's the payrolls. Payrolls were up more than expected. However, unemployment is up as well. There's people out of work. It's 4%. And actually, I don't know how many people remember taking Economics 101 and 102 in high school and college. But one of the things for a functioning economy is that, and it's kind of is weird juxtaposition of things, but you need to have some people who are earning a ton of money and some people who are unemployed. And through, history, that magic number is 4% on the unemployment rate. And guess what? That's where we came in today. When too many people are employed, it starts to make a little bit of a taxing on employers, which we've seen for years, right? We've seen that employers have had to like bend over backwards, and that employees have been quitting jobs and all that good stuff. So this is actually, some investors are thinking this is positive news. We're getting that situation this week where bad news is being interpreted as good news. And yet payrolls are up and private payrolls are up, right? Manufacturing seems to be up. They're hiring. And then here's another negative, right? Participation rate starts to tick down. That's how many people have actually taken themselves out of the job force. So that's a number that I like to watch, just because it's actually been at some all-time lows for like the last 10 years. Having it up more around 65 to 70% means that there's less of a tax on us taxpayers, right? Average hourly earnings up, average hourly earnings year over year. So this could be considered kind of negative, but I don't think that the market's taking it that way, simply because the cost of goods has actually outpaced people's paychecks. So people might interpret this more as, hey, our paychecks are going to catch up.